What's up everyone, in this video let's model this twisted external structure in Revit. Okay, so in this project I use the architectural template. So before we go straight to the tutorial, I would like to ask to everyone that please view every part of this video and don't forget to like, share or subscribe. So it's helped me out a lot, especially everyone updated once I make a video tutorial like this. Okay, so first thing I will do now is to command units or shortcut UN. Okay, I set this into middle because this is high rise. Okay, and now I just command reference plane RP for the shortcut, and I rename it into 1, and this is, let's say, 2. Okay, so now once you have this, okay, of course you need to set the level into 4 meters. Okay, so if you don't have any ceiling layout to your architectural project, okay, instead of right click to create similar for this one, I go to shortcut for that one. Okay, so to the shortcut for this is go into pick this level 2 and go to array or AR for the shortcut. Okay, pick this and drag it all the way up to 4 meters and set it into 35. Hit enter and right click. Okay, select all entire project and ungroup it. Okay, so once you have this, okay, go back into the level 1. Okay, so now I just go into massing inside, in place mass. Okay, and I just draw a circle here as my guide. Okay, let's say 19 here and draw a rectangle here, and I just set it into 0.3. Okay, including in this part. Okay, so now once you have this OF for the shortcut and offset it into 1 meter and delete DE for the shortcut, TR to trim it this. Okay, so now go to 3D. Okay, hold the control shift to rotate it, and now I just simply window it all like this, and I use the copy. Okay, paste align to the selected levels. I set this into level 20. Okay, and I just use again the paste align selected levels, and I set this into 36. Okay, so now I just simply window it this. Okay, RE for the scale. Okay, shortcut RE. Okay, and adjust it this into, if this is 18 or 19, let's say I make this into 18. Okay, so this is 18. Let's window it this. Okay, RE again for the scale. Okay, make sure that you snap in the middle. Okay, RE like this. Okay, and pick this, and I set this into, let's say, 1.1. Okay, and I simply window it this. Okay, hold the control shift, select this and this one, and create form solid form. Okay, so this is the shape already. So now once you have this, okay, go into south. Okay, and now I just draw a arc here and use the reference plane 1 and hit OK. So now I just start to draw a arc here, okay, and up to here, and this is here. Okay, and you can change this into fine, and this is wireframe, so the lines is invisible. Okay, and use the line now. Okay, and draw a line again, and of course you need to connect there. Okay, so once you have this, okay, go to 3D. Okay, select this. Okay, hit the tab to select this. Okay, so once you select this, okay, RO or the shortcut, snap in the middle. Okay, and set the angle of 45 degree. Okay, so this is the bending already, or the twisted. Okay, but before that you go to south, okay, to double check it, and you can use the arrow key to your keyboard. Okay, one more. Okay, and now go to 3D. Okay, select this. Okay, create form, void form. Okay, hit the tab to select only this area, or and drag it all the way outside like this and modify it. So this is the one structure already. Okay, and now I just simply hit the tab to change this material. For example, okay, gypsum board white. Okay, so now once you have this, okay, hit finish. Okay, and I just set this into fine and realistic, or consistent color. Okay, so now what I'm going to do next is to set now the building shape. Okay, but before that I need to go out inside to this one. Okay, OF for the shortcut. Okay, and 3. Okay, 0.5. Okay, and now delete this. Okay, so the circle is double purpose. Okay, so now offset also, OF for the shortcut, and now 3. Okay, delete this. Okay, so once you have this, finish. Okay, go to massing inside, in place mask. Okay, use the pick and pick this 3. Oh, delete this. Okay, delete this. Okay, use the pick line. Okay, pick line and level 1. Okay, and go here, level 20. pick this one, and of course the last one, level 36, and pick this. Okay, and window it all like this. Okay, create form, solid form. So this is the building shape already. Okay, so now what I'm going to do next is to hit the tab, okay, to add profile in this part. Okay, so once you have this, okay, RE for the scale is snap into the edge of the circle, okay, like this, and is snap into the edge of the structure. Okay, so now you can delete, hit the tab to select only the circle, and DE for the shortcut, and now this is the one already, and hit finish. Okay, so go to site now. Okay, I changed into pine and wireframe. Okay, now I just simply pick this. Okay, so it's, if you remember, there is some circle inside of this mask. Okay, the structure. So what I'm going to do is double click that and delete that both. Okay, and now hit finish. Okay, go to site. Okay, pick this RO. Okay, and move it in the middle and copy. Okay, snap reference to reference. Okay, RO for the shortcut, move it in the middle, snap reference to reference, again, rotate, copy, okay, move it in the middle, and rotate all. Okay, so if you go into 3D, okay, and go into tab, very, very beautiful structure, okay, bending is okay, everything is in the alignment. Okay, so now go to 3D or home. Okay, and pick this. Okay, of course you need to add a level to all of that one, I mean floor. Okay, and hit OK. Okay, go to mashing inside, floor, create floor. Okay, so now for temporarily, okay, I just simply apply, make a curtain system for that one. Okay, so I go to curtain system, okay, edit, and I just choose the circular mullion, okay, circular mullion, apply, okay, okay, and I just simply pick this, okay, create system, okay, it's very heavy now. Okay, so this is what he look already. Okay, so now I go to level 1, okay, and go to floor, floor, okay, and I just draw a circle like this, okay, and hit finish. Okay, if I go to 3D, so this is what he look. So I just Pick this and DE. Okay, hit the tab. Select this, mask, DE again. Okay, and now I just make a shadow. Okay, so that is the step. Okay, how to model the external structure or twisted structure in high-rise building. Okay, so I just change this into realistic. Okay, I go to home, tab. So this is the view in the tab. Okay, go into south. Okay, it's too heavy already. Okay, so this is the south or front. So this is the south. Okay, so please don't forget to like, share, or subscribe to this channel so everyone updated once I make a video tutorial like this. Okay, see you again in my next video. Thank you and God bless you all.